Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to fix Valorant matchmaking queue errors. So first step, you need to check Valorant server status. Visit the Riot Game server status page, select your region, and check if there are any ongoing server outages or maintenance. If servers are down, you need to wait until Riot resolves the issue. Next step is check your internet connection. A stable and fast internet connection is crucial for Valorant matchmaking to work properly. So you can restart your router or modem, turn off your router for 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. Switch to a wired connection. Use an Ethernet cable for a more stable connection. Test your internet speed. Use a speed test tool to ensure your ping and download upload speeds are suitable for gaming, and then disable VPNs. VPNs can interfere with matchmaking, so turn off your VPN if you're using one. Next is open command prompt, run as administrator, and what you're going to do. Follow this. So you need to type ipconfig space slash flush DNS and then press enter. And then after that, as you can see, it flush the DNS resolver cache. So what you're going to do next is you have to type this net sh winsock and then reset and then press enter. And then after that, restart your computer. Now check if this method work. If not, the very last thing you should do here is open your network connection, locate at the internet where you are connected, right click, and then go to properties. Here you have to look for internet protocol. Tap this one, click OK, and then click use the following DNS server and then follow this one. The first is 8888, the second is 8844. Click OK, and that's it. And see if this method work or this fix Valorant matchmaking queue. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.